is indeed rewriting the telecom playbook, and I think we'll see bold shifts in how the CSPs operate. I think we've laid the foundation for that with, I think, the energy around data, and specifically, it's everyone's job now, and everyone's investing in it because of AI, right? It's been a call, right? It's also been a way to bring functions together across the business that we've not seen anything else have the power to do, and I think that's going to really help shift operations, right? So, for example, we've seen early AI success with customer care and chatbots, right? But the real power is going to come when we know what's going to happen in the operations and we can take action, right? It's not like we're just building up chatbots to take customer care. We're really bringing all the groups together in the operations to act on problems before they arise, and really improve that overall customer experience.
Yeah, and as you kind of evolve into the maturity that operators have in this space, right, from experimental to repeatable and scalable, you kind of see use cases like computer reasoning, computer vision, machine translation, hyper-personalization, content generation, and taking a product-led approach to these to make it repeatable and scalable. So whether it's like AI composition, bringing real-time pipelines to life, or AI-powered personalization, the right offer, right customer, right place, right time, for different types of goals that you want to optimize, whether it's to grow revenue or save cost. And then I think one key aspect that's becoming more important nowadays is embedding trust in that entire cycle. So how do you productize that? How do you repeat that? How do you scale that and make that horizontal across a number of agentic use cases that are coming up? Yeah. At Tecnotree, we have taken a product-led approach to governance and certification. We're one of the few vendors in the market today that actually have a product that can help you manage your AI governance processes within your organization. So whether you're looking at explainability, trust, transparency, bias, fairness, data risks, compliance, you can actually configure specific policies that could be regional, it could be industry specific, it could be organizational specific. You can set thresholds. So for example, a marketing model might require high level of transparency, fairness and lack of bias, whereas a model that is used to, let's say, suggest insurance policies and plans for a patient might require to be more efficient or robust and accurate in terms of its output. So you can actually define these thresholds, certify models for different types of use cases, and ensure that trust is embedded in design. And that's the kind of approach that we're taking along with operators, especially becoming more important, in the context of the EU AI Act, and a number of countries are coming up with different kinds of policy guidelines that operators, which are considered to be high-risk category industries, are going to have to gear up towards.
When it comes to ethics, right, and really keeping things, I'll call it, in control, right, as it relates to AI, I think that the first and foremost thing is education. Right? I think one thing that we've seen with the power of AI is people are at least scared of it, right? Like they're scared for it has so much power, but it has so much power. Right? And I think it's great to have tools, right, like Tecnotree brings, but you've got to also have the complement of making sure people really understand the power of what they're playing with. And I think real training effort, real compliance effort, just real reinforcement around that is going to be critical. The good news is people are scared of it, so they're thirsty for it, right? Usually it's something you have to make people do, but I think in this regard, people are clamoring for it, right? And it's just fusing, right, the tools and the governance together. A partnership between Tecnotree and Accenture would really shake up the telecom market. I think the magnificence of the solutions that Tecnotree brings to bear and the people, right, and implementation support that Accenture can bring to bear is unparalleled, right? Just the span that we have, right, to cover clients all over the world, right, with the power and also the nimbleness of Tecnotree's solutions, right, and really being able to bring those services and the expertise to any market. I think that's the power, right, is the right products and the right solutions, right, and investing in each other. I think the power of what we're looking to do as well between Tecnotree and Accenture isn't just implement Tecnotree's products, but really grow the market space together and invent together, right? And the market is consistently changing, right? And it's not just enough to be a partner that implements the products, right? We want to be able to be thought partners with each other, right? And really kind of make and evolve the market together.
Like Chris mentioned, it comes down to people, and the companies, I think, have shared values in the sense that, we want to drive outcomes. We want it to be trusted. We want to be sustainable. We want to do it, we want to monetize, but we want to do it in the right way. And I think that the shared values, skills, capabilities, and products come together quite nicely that help, a company like Tecnotree that's global, but, we're able to scale so much more in terms of what our product can do for operators around the globe with partners like Accenture. And it's really great to work with partners that have shared values.